刚才我们学习了电话和打电话的表达，现在我们来学习一下电话礼仪。Just now we have learned the expressions of telephone and make a phone call. So now let's learn something about the telephone manners. 电话礼仪 manners 礼仪 In China, when we call somebody, we often greet him or her with 喂. For example, when we call somebody, we can say 喂，你好，我是。喂，你好，我是。For example, if I call one of you, I can say 喂，你好，我是邓旭妍。哦，喂，你好，我是老师。Just like this. And we can also say 喂，你好，请问。巴拉巴拉。喂，你好，请问。We can plus a question. For example, 喂，你好，请问你是 Boost 的学生吗？喂，你好，请问你是 Boost 的学生吗？ So 请问 here is also a way of show your politeness. 请问 Okay, so did you get it? So next time if you call me or your Chinese friends, you can say 喂，你好，我是 who? 我是巴拉巴拉 Okay. Now let's continue. In another condition, we can also use 喂. For example, in a situation that you meet one of your friend in the office or on the way, and he or she didn't see you, then you can say 喂，你怎么样？喂，你在做什么？ Just like hey or hello, what are you doing? Just like this. Okay, to arouse people's attention to you, we also can use 喂. Okay, now let's continue. The noun words we once learned. This is 这是学校 school. 他是学生 student. They are 他们是 They are classmates. 他们是同学 Then from these three words, we can find they share the same word 学 in Chinese means study or to learn to study. So we can find that because these three words all are related to study, so we can learn a new word 学 or 学习 It means to study and 学习 can be a verb and can be a noun. Okay, for example, we just learned like means 喜欢 So for this sentence, I like study. How to translate? You can think a while. I like study. we can say 我喜欢学习。我喜欢学习。So for here, study or 学习 is a noun. 我喜欢学习。Another sentence. I like studying Chinese. I like studying Chinese. Okay, sorry. Here is a verb. Not a noun. 我喜欢学习。It's a verb for here. 我喜欢学习。I like studying Chinese. How to translate? Okay, we will analyze I 我喜欢学 Chinese 汉语。So for this sentence, we can say 我喜欢学汉语。我喜欢学汉语。Or we can say 我喜欢学习汉语。我喜欢学习汉语。Okay, so do you get the usage of 学 and 学习? And try to make a sentence with 学习. Try to make a sentence with 学习. Now, let's continue. The 10th word is 也. 也 is an adverb. It means also or to. 也. For example, 我是学生。I am a student. He is also a student. So we can say 他也是学生。And for you, because most of you are teachers, we can say 我是老师。他们 or 他也是老师。Okay. Another example. We can also use this can also put before a verb. For example, 爸爸喜欢喝咖啡。Father likes drinking coffee. If I also like drinking coffee, we can say 我也喜欢喝咖啡。Okay, together. 爸爸喜欢喝咖啡。我也喜欢喝咖啡。So for 也 can you make a sentence by yourself? 也 Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to the 11. 11. There we are learning new word is to sleep. To sleep in Chinese is 睡觉。All the fourth tones 睡觉。So I want to sleep. I'd like to sleep. How to translate for this sentence? Please think a while. Yeah, I want to. In lesson 9, we have learned 我想喝茶. Oh, sorry, not lesson 9. Lesson 8. 第八课 The title is 我想喝茶 We have learned the grammar of 想 So, I want to sleep. We can translate into 我想睡觉我想睡觉 Okay. Another sentence. I like sleepy. I like sleepy. For this one, we can say 我喜欢睡觉。我喜欢睡觉。Okay. For these two sentences, please try to practice on your own. The first one is 我想睡觉 The second is 我喜欢睡觉 Okay. Next word is 八 It's a modal particle used in the end of a sentence, just like we once learned ne. Yeah, but the difference between ne and ba is often indicating command, just suggestion or consultation of something. Yes. For example, 我们回家吧。我们回家吧。Let's go back home. It is a kind of suggestion. 我们回家吧。Okay. The second sentence. 我们去啪啦配吧。我们去啪啦配吧。Let's go to 啪啦配。Let's go to 啪啦配。Yeah. To show somebody's suggestion or command, 我们去啪啦配吧。Yes. So this is the usage of 八。So from number 1 to number 12, we have learned the words in lesson 13. Now we will learn some grammar points. The first one is way we just learned. We just mentioned that way is often used when we calling people. When we make a phone call to somebody, we can say 喂你好 just like this. But it can also used in the daily communication just to arouse somebody's attention. So now let's see the third example. For here, it reads 喂你在做什么呢？喂你在做什么呢？ So 喂 in here is just to arouse the people, the person's attention. We can use 喂你在做什么呢 What are you doing? What are you doing? The second sentence 我在看书呢。我在看书呢。I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Okay, so we can use this. Wait. Now another grammar point is about 在 blah blah 呢在 blah blah 呢 and 呢 can be omitted. 呢 can be omitted. For here it's often indicating the action in progress. The action in progress. For example, its structure is often a subject plus 在 plus doing something. Okay, now I will show you some examples. Yeah, for this picture, It's just in the first sentence. This first sentence. Yeah. For here we can say 我在睡觉呢。我在睡觉呢。I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. For here, this structure is subject plus 在 plus a verb plus ne, and ne can be omitted. So this sentence we can say 我在睡觉 or 我在睡觉呢。我在睡觉呢。Okay. This one. This boy's name is 小王. His name is 小王. So 小王 is from this picture we can see he is learning Chinese. He is learning Chinese. So we can say 小王在学习汉语呢。小王在学习汉语呢。小王 is learning Chinese. 小王在学习汉语呢。Okay, so this is the usage of 在 plus ne. So can you make two sentences with 在? For here, 在 we can find its structure is 在我 a subject plus 在 plus a verb plus ne, or subject plus 在 plus a verb and plus object plus ne. Yes. So please try to make two sentences by yourself with 在什么什么呢? For example, I'm a teacher. I'm having a class. I can say 我在上课呢。我在上课呢。If for the Chinese course, I can say 我在上汉语课呢。我在上汉语课呢。Okay, now let's get started. For here, if we just know somebody is doing something, so how to ask? What are you doing? What are you doing? We can say in Chinese. For example, 你在做什么呢？你在做什么呢？ or 你在做什么？你在做什么？ What are you doing? Doing refer to 做。你在做什么？ Yes, if for this sentence, I'm learning Chinese in Boost. I'm learning Chinese in Boost. For this one, how to translate? Yeah. When we answer, we also, the first is subject, is I, so 我 I'm learning, 我在 a verb, learning 学 or 学习，我在学 Chinese, 我在学汉语 yeah, 我在学汉语 If we don't see the place, we can say 你在做什么呢？我在学汉语。我在学汉语。But the point is in this sentence is in Boost, so we can put the place after 在 yeah 在 So for this sentence we can say 我在 Boost place can put after 在我在 Boost 学习汉语呢。我在 Boost 学习汉语呢。I'm learning Chinese in Boost. Yeah, okay. So, can you make a short dialogue with this one? For example, If someone asks me 你在做什么呢 I can say 我在 Boost 上课呢我在 Boost 上课呢 Okay, so please remember for this important dialogue. Now, let's continue. Just now we have learned the way of asking and answer. But how to say the negative form? It is like this. We often use the subject plus a word may plus 在 plus a verb or verb phrase or place. For example, we just learned 我在睡觉呢我在睡觉呢 The negative for the negative sentence we can say 我没在睡觉我没在睡觉 Yeah, we can plus the verb 我没在睡觉 And for the place, for example, 我在家呢我在家呢 I'm at home. We can also say I'm not at home. I can say 我没在家 Okay. I will show you some examples. For example, from this picture, we can see the boy is watching TV. And he is not sleeping. So for this sentence, he isn't sleeping. He is watching TV. How to translate? Yeah, please think about it. There is a negative word is not. So we can say 他不 Oh, sorry. Yeah, we will learn 不 He isn't sleeping. 他没在睡觉 Oh, 他没在睡觉呢 He is watching TV. 他在看电视 So for this one, we can say 他没在睡觉他在看电视呢 Okay, this is the sentence. Okay, so do you got it? The usage of 在 and the sentence structure of 在 blah blah 呢 and 呢 can be omitted. So please try to make several sentences with 在 and 没在 Okay. Now we will learn another expression of 在 Here we can see my mom isn't in Palapay. Actually, for this sentence, it didn't show the action is in progress. But if we want to say, to understand this sentence, because we once learned in we often use 在 For example, the puppy is under the chair. 小狗在椅子下面 We use 在 right? But for the negative form isn't we can say 不在 We can use 不 Yeah, please pay attention to the tone of 不 the second tone 不在我妈妈不在帕拉佩我妈妈不在帕拉佩 And we can also say 我妈妈没在帕拉佩 It's also okay Yeah, it's also okay. So please pay attention to here. For the negative form, we can say 不在 or 没在 in this kind of sentences to asking or to know the states of somebody or something. We can say the negative form. We can say 不在 or 没在，也没在 both is okay. 好的。So this one we have learned subject plus 没在 and plus a verb or plus a verb phrase. 我没在 the first sentence is 我没在看电视。我没在看电视。I'm not watching TV. The second sentence 他们没在工作。他们没在工作。They are not working. They are not working. The third sentence 他没看书。他没看书。For here 在please pay attention. 在 can be omitted. Can be omitted. So for this sentence we can say 他没看书。He is not reading a book. And we can also say 他没在看书。For here 在 can be omitted when used in a negative form. Okay. So now we will learn the first lesson 打电话on the phone. Yes, please try to understand each part of the sentence. Now we will listen to the recording. But yesterday's video I used this, but it doesn't work. You can't hear it. So now I will use another way to play these tests. Listening. Okay. We will listen to this one's test. Please try to listen to make sure can you understand the dialogue. Okay, so from this test, we can know it's asking as there's a dialogue between two people. Now we will read the first sentence. The first one is 喂，你在做什么呢？喂，你在做什么呢？ Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? The second sentence 我在看书呢。我在看书呢。I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. 大卫也在看书吗？大卫也在看书吗？ For this sentence, we can see it's yeah. Is David reading too? Is David reading too? The last sentence, 他没看书。他没看书。Or we can say 他没在看书。He isn't No, he isn't. 他在学做中国菜呢。他在学做中国菜呢。He is learning. He is learning to cook. He is learning to cook. 做 to cook Chinese food. 他在学做中国菜呢。Yes. So, for this dialogue, please try to practice at least 2 times and listen to the recording and imitate the dialogue. So, this is the first test, and we will listen again and try to understand, to make sure you understand the whole dialogue. Okay. So this is for this for test 1. For test 1. So today's homework is, yes, please listen to the recording of lesson 12. Lesson 12. Yes. And finish the workbook. Page 84, 84, 85和86的作业的 homework. Okay. And the Chinese characters is also in the workbook, page 88 and 89, 88和89页. Okay, the homework is since March, but actually you can do it, I guess, half an hour is okay for you. The second part is about the interaction. Please try to ask yourself or ask your partner. You can choose a place to ask the weather. For example, for here is 昨天北京的天气怎么样? It's asking the weather in Beijing, Beijing's weather. Yes, 昨天北京的天气怎么样? 昨天北京的天气好吗？昨天很好，不冷不热。The second sentence, 明天会下雨吗？ Will it rain tomorrow? 明天不会下雨 It won't rain tomorrow. So for here, please try to find a place you know to fill in this blank. And you can also send the voice messages to me. You can use this sentence structure to ask 昨天的天气 yesterday's weather, 今天的天气 today's weather, or tomorrow's weather, 明天的天气 Yes, to practice this dialogue. Okay, so this is today's content for the first day of our content. Okay, here, 北京的天气 Yes, you can find another example. Okay. Okay, hope so. This is we will stop here, and on Thursday's lesson we will continue to finish the other 2 tests and do some practice. Yes. Okay. Thank you for Thank you for the time. 谢谢大家，再见。